So we are saying, what's more to life than serving the Lord? Huh? You know, serving the Lord renews your strength. It makes you strong. It fills you with a lot of hope, okay? So in your life, make sure you're serving the Lord somewhere. Don't just sit. You're sitting. No, no, no. Serve the Lord. Those who serve the Lord shall bear fruit even in old age, okay? And when you serve the Lord, He will renew your strength. He will fill you with hope. He will heal your own heart. Okay? So make sure you're serving the Lord somewhere. Make sure you're serving the Lord somewhere. Those who wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall walk and not faint. They shall run. They shall run and not be exhausted. They shall walk and not faint. Okay? So make sure you're serving the Lord